Hey, what's up, high levelers? And if you use the mobile app for in-person point of sale transactions, we all know how awesome this feature is on the HighLevel mobile app, and we want to use it with as many payment providers as possible. So today I'm going to be talking about using point of sale with Square and how to do Square transactions on the HighLevel mobile app. Let's dive right in. Now, first thing to do in order to make sure Square is going to work on the mobile app is log into your sub account, navigate to payments, then to integrations. And from here, scroll down and click connect under Square. Now, this is where we are going to connect Square under Square Live mode. Simply click connect here. And then this will take you to your Square account where you can sign in with your current Square account and then link up Square Live mode with HighLevel. Now, once you've done that, we're then going to navigate over to the HighLevel or lead connector, gray label, or your white label equivalent of the mobile app. We're going to go to point of sale, and we're going to make our sale just like we would make any other sale in HighLevel. We can add a custom price, or we can select a product from our product catalog, and then we can click review and then add our customer. Then we can simply click choose payment instrument, and this is where we'll be able to see Square as our payment instrument. Once we do this, then we can use our Square device. Remember, Square on mobile typically works with a Square device that you can plug into your phone or sync up via Bluetooth. So before actually doing this, make sure you set up your Square mobile card reader. This will typically be in your phone settings if you look up Square or connect a Square reader. And then once you've connected that Square device, then you can finish the process, submit the payment, and you will be good to go. Again, if you're using a Square reader, I know these are supported with iPhones on iOS, so you can connect your Square reader using Bluetooth. If not, then you can also use a manual payment method, or you can manually type in the card's numbers, or even use a card on file. Again, but if you have Square connected as your integrated payment provider, then that process will go through Square. So even if you don't have a payment reader like the Square card readers that they allow, even if you just charge the card on file, then it will still go through Square because you have it connected within HighLevel. Now, if this isn't working for you, be sure to disconnect Square and reconnect it. And of course, if you're having any issues with Square card payments on mobile, then just refer to the help doc. As always, I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.